Hey, what's up everybody? This is Steve for TeePolgar, and here we are with another Talking Couch episode. Today's guest is...
Hey, I'm Cherif, Italian traveler around the world by bike.
Alright.
Yes.
He's riding his bike. Where did you start Cherif?
I started from Italy 7 months ago, from Sassuolo, my city, north of Italy. Yeah.
So how many kilometers have you covered in this last
Right
7
now,
months?
from Italy to here, more than 6,500 kilometers.
Okay.
And next step will be Uzbekistan, inshallah.
Okay. Alright. So when are you moving to Uzbekistan?
I will go after tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, we go.
For how long you staying there?
I will stay 1 month, and after that I will go to Tajikistan to ride around Pamir.
Man, life is beautiful. I'm going to Uzbekistan as well.
We will see in there, man.
End of October. Why anyone should ride a bike for fucking 7,000 kilometers? Why would you do that? I mean, isn't it much easier just to grab a flight or just grab your fam and go hitchhiking instead of fucking like riding your bike for 7 months?
You know, man, in the beginning when I was thinking what kind of transport I can take for travel around the world, I was thinking too by backpack, by hitchhiking, by plane, but the bike is an amazing transport because it's healthy, it's ecological, and you can see places, people, culture really slowly and in a good mode, you know. Yes, and it's amazing. And really, when you are riding on the mountain and with 12-15% of elevation, and you arrive on the top, and after you go down, you are screaming a lot. Yeah, finally!
I am free.
Yeah, I'm free. This is my life. This freedom, you know.
Yeah. What's the plan? How long you're going to travel, or do you have a plan? And why do you travel? You mentioned you have a project, right?
Yes, I have a project. I'm originally from Morocco. And my project is about ecological bike, is about Muslim around the world.
So ecological bike and Muslim, how can you connect the two things?
Okay, ecological bike, I told before that is good for our health and is good for our planet. Right. We need to stop to use car because petrol, oil are killing our world.
Right.
And we can use our bike for go to work every day, for go around, and use the car only for the important trips.
Right.
And Muslim people around the world, because you know the situation around the world now, we have a lot of problems from the religion in general. Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, Jewish, etc. But I'm traveling around the world and I'm meeting a lot of amazing people from all the religions. And when I'm saying to the people that I'm Muslim, they don't care, you know? They don't care. But we have a problem only about the government, about information, TV, newspaper.
The media and the reputation of Islam as a culture,
exactly.
Religion, Muslim.
And if we are traveling around the world, we can meet and see the real world.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I see. Okay, so what's this project about? You're talking to Muslims, or why did you start this project in the first place?
I started this project in Italy. Because you know there are coming a lot of refugees from South Africa, Algeria, Morocco, etc. And I want to tell the people and show to the people that Muslim people are not a problem. They can live everywhere with all the people and without problems.
Right. Makes sense. So what's the name of your project? How can we check this project out?
My project is Hopping Bike. We can follow me in Instagram, in Facebook, and I have a blog,
by the way.
hoppingbike.eu. And I think it's good for you too, guys. Take bike, ride, yes, and enjoy the street. Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you for this shout out. Thank you for the
you too, man.
And so what did you say? How long you're going to travel more?
I will go to travel 5-6 years around all the world, 77 countries. I will go to
So
Asia.
continents, you mean?
No, 77 countries.
77 countries.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. All the continents I will make.
Yeah.
And Asia, after I will go to America, I will go to Africa, and after all North Europe to come back in Italy.
All right.
Inshallah.
So this is the plan, and you try really hard to stick to the plan, right?
Yes, absolutely, yes, my friend.
You guys remember for the interview with Zoli about patience and impatience? He's my age. You're 29 as well, right?
29, yes.
Amen, brother, amen.
We are brothers.
That's the year. That's the year. So impatience still there, but impatience takes him to places where most people will never gonna get.
Yeah,
so
man.
I wish you all the best for that. 7 years, 8 years on the bike with this Muslim project. It's going to be amazing. I'm pretty sure.
Absolutely.
And spread the
and
news.
you see, we have amazing people around the world, and one of them is here.
Thanks for the praise, brother. Praise your words.
Thank you, man. Good luck, everyone.
Take care. See you next week, and don't forget, you with a little bit of me are shaping society. Bye.
Yeah, bye, guys.